So we just had a customer stop in with the Ecotec 4-cylinder and the GMC Terrain and the Chevy, what is it? Equinox. So we told this woman to stop back in 1,000 miles with Restore and Protect in it. We did check her oil and it was completely full. That is just a baseline. Now I have other customers out here that can't make it a week without burning a quart of oil in those engines. And we did switch them to Restore and Protect, but it will take longer to produce results. So that doesn't mean you're out of the woods when you have an engine that consumes oil. So now our next pulse, like we're going to get getting a pulse reading on this vehicle, or a blood pressure check, right? You're going to say that. Make sure it's not bleeding out from burning oil out the tailpipe. We're told her to stop back in another 1,000 miles, and then we're going to see if there's oil consumption at 2,000 miles. So we do 3,000 mile oil changes, right? So if she stops burning oil within 3,000 miles, she's solid. Thanks for watching.